This is the Reading to Learn math page for section 9.1. In this shaded box, they tell you some key terms. They tell you what a ratio is. They tell you what a proportion is. They tell you what cross products are. We've gone over all three of those. The things we haven't gone over are extremes and means. So if you have a proportion where you have two fractions that are equal, the extremes would be the cross product A times D. So the extremes go this way. The means would be B times C. They go that way. So the extremes, when you multiply them, that equals the means when you multiply them. This info is good to help you with this first section. So we're just matching R and U in this equation. What do you call R and U? Those are your extremes. I was going to circle it. Why would I circle that? There we go. Part B says a comparison of two numbers by division. That's what a ratio is. If you're not sure, look up here. Part C, S and T in this equation. Those would be your means. Part D says RU and ST in the equation. So RU is referring to R times U. ST is referring to S times T. Those are your cross products. An equation that shows that two ratios are equivalent is a proportion. Number 2, they give you a proportion and they ask you to solve. Explain your steps as you solve the proportion. So we're going to multiply the means and the extremes. So we need 42 times 6, and that's going to equal 18 times the quantity, 3x plus 2. That's where this is a little bit more challenging. We're going to use our calculator to help us. 42 times 6, 252 on the right side. Now on this left side, we need to distribute 18 across both of those numbers. 18 times 3x gives you 54x, and 18 times 2 gives you 36. We were going to solve for x. So we need 54x to be equal to whatever 252 minus 36 is. Then we're going to divide by 54. X is 4. Now you can check your work. If x is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So 18 over 42, does that equal 6 over 14? Boy, I hope so. I actually think both of those need reduced. 18 to 42 is 3/7. 6 to 14 is 3/7 also. That's how you know that you're right, because these equal each other.